So I first was engaged with Team, I believe, back in 2015. I was referred by Turncycle Solutions. I was in the process of looking for a framing engineer for the wood frame structure for my own home. And Turncycle was doing some blower door tests on my house. And they were lined up long in advance. And he said, hey, before you even start construction, you got to talk to Team. They really know how to work with the contractor through the framing details. If you run into problems in the field, they'll be right there looking at the details and making sure that your framers have a great plan to move forward with. And so that was our first project. Now 4 years later, I believe we've worked now on 4 projects with Team. And one of my better experiences, they're all great, but one of my better ones was 160 South River Road. It was a challenging garage tear down and reframe with some cantilevered canopies off of an existing structure that was built in the late 80s. So we had to do some field experimentation, demo. We really needed to be able to get Brian and his team access to the existing structure so they could understand how to tie into the structure. So they were great. They worked with us through the whole process. Came out to the field multiple times, looked at exposed footings, looked at exposed columns embedded in the masonry walls and the cavities, and they really came up with a solution that we could work with as a contractor and build with. Not only did they produce the deliverables and the reports that we needed for the town of Bedford, but they also came up with isometric drawings, 3-dimensional drawings that really advanced our team's ability to understand and communicate with the field guys that were building it, how to bring the structure together. So that was great for us because we don't get spoiled with that level of detail all the time. So on a small project, it really made things easier, particularly on a renovation.